Greetings from Norwalk, Connecticut. My name is Mark DiMatteo at MarineMax Norwalk, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard in dark Sea Ray blue. And as you see, this boat also comes with a trailer. If you don't need it, we can pull that out of the deal. Let's hop onto the boat and take a quick walkthrough. Welcome aboard. As you'll see, the interior of this boat is the tan dune color. At the transom, we have a Mercury 150 horsepower outboard motor that gets this boat on plane in 3 seconds. If you look down at the swim platform, it's covered in a tan sea deck, which actually flows right through the entire cockpit up to the bow of the boat. On the interior, you'll see this boat is optioned with the optional lounger, so it can face either direction. Plenty of cup holders at every seat. Storage, dedicated storage for a cooler down below. You have a dedicated integrated cooler underneath this seat here. Additional storage under this seat and this seat. And one of the coolest features I love about this boat is the extra storage that comes along with it. As you see down here on the deck, we have a massive locker, either used for water sports toys, water skis, wakeboards, what have you, anything that you can stuff down inside there. Here at the helm, you'll see the standard bucket seat with a flip-up bolster. This seat actually moves forward and aft and rotates. The helm, you'll see the brand new 12-inch Simrad GPS fish finder navigation system. You have a Bluetooth stereo control right here, a cup holder, easy access to USB ports, and your binnacle mount shift control. There is on-deck light, courtesy lighting. Over to the passenger side, you have a nice little glove compartment to keep things out of the weather, your wallet, keys. There's an additional USB port so you can actually keep your phone tucked away there. And as you walk up to the bow, ample seating for 2 to 3 people comfortably, grab handles for safety, speakers. Underneath every cushion is a storage area, and all the way to the bow is dedicated anchor storage. Once again, this is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut. This boat is on site, available for delivery. Buy the boat now, store it with us for free this winter, take a fresh delivery next spring at no expense to you. I look forward to speaking with you.